Good day, everyone. My name is Zichen Gong from the Department of Computer Science and Software Engineering at the University of Western Australia. This work is a collaboration between UWA, CS Aero, and Shanghai Jiao Tong University. Today, I'm very excited to present our CVPR 2026 paper, ARMFlow, Autoregressive Inflow for Online 3D Human Reaction Generation. Our research focuses on generating realistic and responsive human reactions in real time, which is important for applications such as human-robot interaction, VR, AR, and interactive digital human communication. I will first introduce the research background and the key challenges for online reaction generation. Then I will briefly explain the MinFlow paradigm and our ARMFlow framework. After that, I will present the main components of our method, followed by quantitative and qualitative experiment results. Finally, I will conclude with the key contribution of the human reaction generation aims to produce responsive motions conditioned on another person's actions. Compared with traditional offline motion generation, online reaction generation is much more challenging because the input continuously changes during the reactions. This task has strong practice value in robotics, virtual reality, and immersive interactive systems, where agents must respond naturally and immediately to human behaviors. Three major challenges in online reaction generation. First, inference efficiency. Diffusion-based methods usually require many denoising steps, making real-time deployment difficult. Second, motion fidelity. Generated reaction must remain physically plausible and semantically alignment with the reaction. Third, long-term dependency modeling. The system must preserve temporally consistency over long sequences while reacting to continuous evolving input. Method will struggle with online interaction settings. Diffusion-based approaches often produce high-quality motions, but their iterative sampling process is computationally expensive. Autoregressive methods are fast, but they usually accumulate prediction errors over time and fail to maintain stability in long-term motion. This limitation motivated us to design a framework that is both efficient and robust for online generation. To address this problem, we built our method on the latest method, MinFlow. MinFlow models the average velocity field directly, enable single-step inferences instead of iterative denoising. It also incorporates bias sampling and classifier-free guidance strategy to improve generation quality. Compared with diffusion model, MinFlow significantly reduced inference cost while preserving motion realism. This slide shows the overall architecture of ARMFlow. Our framework contains several key components. First, we adopt the MinFlow paradigm to enable efficient single-step generation. Second, we introduce a causal context encoder that captures the entire motion history with causal masking, allowing the model to preserve long-term temporal consistency. Third, we propose Bootstrap Contextual Encoding, or BSCE, which improves robustness by progressively replacing historical input with generated samples during training. Finally, our lightweight MLP velocity predictor further reduces latent and online inferences. Generation, we compress motion sequences in a compact latent presentation using a CNN VAE module. This CNN module also enables real-time inferences. We introduced our BSCE training strategy. Previous rollout-based approaches only partially replace history sequences, which limited robustness and slow convergence. In contrast, our BSCE replaces both actor and reactor history using generated samples from the early training stage. This introduced controlled noise and better simulate real autoregressive inference conditions. As a result, the model became much more stable against accumulated prediction errors. From the online generation, we also present the offline variants, RAMFlow, which also benefit from MinFlow, achieve the state-of-the-art performance on offline reaction generation. Agreement was established on two solid baselines, interhuman and interx. We use evaluation metrics such as FID, R precision, multimodal distance, and also the divergence. Compared to previous work like CA-MDM, RegNet, and Ready2React, our ARMFlow achieved the best performance regarding both FID, R precision, and MM distance. Offline generation, our RAMFlow also beats the previous SOTA. This figure compares BSAE with traditional rollout training. As we can see, our method converges significantly faster and achieves much lower FID during training. The key reason is that BSAE exposes the model to realistic accumulated error earlier, improving robustness during autoregressive generation. Present some qualitative comparison with the RegNet. In this boxing example, our model generates realistic defensive and counterattack behavior that closely match the interaction description. Our method also have better performance on some fighting cases. This example demonstrates long-term interaction consistency. ARMFlow successfully maintain synchronized ballroom dancing motion between two people, preserve smoothness condition over time. In these fine-grained interaction cases, our method better models detail hand and body coordination between two people. ARMFlow preserves contact relationship and the spatial consistency much more efficiently than RegNet. To conclude, we present ARMFlow, the first MinFlow-based framework for online 3D human reaction generation. Our method achieves single-step inferences while maintaining strong motion quality and temporal consistency. We further introduce BSAE to improve autoregressive robustness and demonstrate state-of-the-art performance on both online and offline benchmark. Thank you very much for listening. So long.